Okay, so a few things are new. One, we decided to call the scooter Rafiki from the monkey in the Lion King. And the second thing is I cut my hair. You can read more about that on my Facebook page. I made a whole post, so if you're interested in that, you can read there. So I've driven over 1,500 kilometers with the scooter. I haven't washed it once. We did rinse it though with those high pressure hose things. So I saw this on Facebook the other day and it looks pretty interesting. I think it's like a wax, but this is called the Armor Matte Coat. And today we will review the Armor Matte Coat. So I bought this Armor Matte Coat from Lazada. Not sponsored, but it was 250 pesos. So you get the Armored Matte Coat, free motor shampoo. It even says free motor shampoo on the bottle. It also includes a sponge and a microfiber cloth. And as a bonus you get a free helmet refresher. I don't think it's free because it only says helmet refresher, not free helmet refresher. Anyway, all of this just cost 250 pesos. So this is for matte and glossy paint finishes, dashboard, plastic, vinyl and leather. It removes dirt, dust and water spots. Creates a waterproof barrier, UV protection against the sun, rain and other harsh elements. So it allows up to 30 days protection. So they have some instructions here how to use. Put small amount on your sponge, then spread it on your vehicle. Wipe with a microfiber cloth until it finishes. Then see the result. So first we're gonna need to wash it. It needs to be clean before we apply the Armor Matte Coat. So first we will wash it. Okay, so I got my bucket with water and my free motor shampoo. I'm just gonna add it to it. But luckily in the Philippines, like I told you before in a previous vlog, cabo is very handy for a lot of things. So we will use the cabo. We don't have a hose. Okay, we are about done rinsing now. I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes so it can dry. Then we're gonna just wipe it off with a clean sponge to make sure that the water doesn't gather dirt. Okay, so the scooter is starting to get a little bit dry now, so I'm going to use the sponge. I'm just going to finish and spread it out so it doesn't get, the droplets don't get dry and gather some dirt. So according to the instructions, we need to put a little bit of this on the sponge and then just spread it around and then wipe it with the microfiber cloth. And then the microfiber cloth. It looks pretty good. So that is what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. Nice and shiny, I can see myself. So here we put some more on this part. Microfiber cloth. So that is before and this is after. I don't know, can you guys see a difference? So I think this is gonna be interesting. This is a bit scratchy. Probably need to get some protection or something to put over this. But I think this is where we will see the best how good it will work if we put it on top of these scratches. Okay, so that is before. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. You can still see some scratches over there. Compared to that, it looks much better already. So at first I wasn't very impressed with it. I didn't see much of a difference, but now I'm really seeing some big difference here. I see a big difference here on the dash. On the plastic parts, like here, like the matte plastic parts, I really see a big difference. Like over there and over here, you can see it looks a lot more. It really brings out the matte. Looks really good. I don't think it's really meant for areas like these metal stuff. It's not really. I can see little difference on pieces like this plastic, but matte plastic like here, especially like here, I see a big difference. So to conclude this review, I am actually very impressed with the whole setup, what you get for 250 pesos. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. I will pin the comment below and I will say how it was after 30 days, because according to this bottle it lasts up to 30 days protection. So hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.